think about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat today and also just taking you out with me as I hang around Seattle. I'm really trying to cut out sugar and cheese right now just because I have been, I've been breaking out a lot as my body kind of gets adjusted to being someplace new. So gotta change up the diet, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So yeah, for breakfast, I'm just gonna do a really quick and easy smoothie. I've got strawberry, banana, and almond milk. To make myself something for lunch, and I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. I'm just gonna do some chicken, some Brussels sprouts, and then some brown rice.
About it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power.
So now I'm about to get dinner started. I think I'm just gonna do these crab cakes and salad, so I hope it comes out well.
Challenging or painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
Mayonnaise, egg, and the roasted shallots into the have a sweet tooth. So I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day. I will leave the information for my air fryer as well as my Ninja blender, and also the cookbook from America's Test Kitchen where I got the recipes that I used. I'll leave that in the description box below, and I'll check in with you guys to let you know how my skin is reacting to cutting out sugar and dairy, but I think it could also be mask related. So let me know in the comments below if you guys like the things that I showed you, and if you're also getting some maskne, like, let me know. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.